Dogecoin. It's the cryptocurrency that started as a joke but quickly became very real, much like finding out your childhood bully is now a successful children's entertainer. Right now, as we film this on February 6, 2025, a single Dogecoin will set you back 25.2193 cents. Imagine a quarter that could potentially make you richer or poorer depending on, well, everything. It's been a roller coaster of a ride for Dogecoin investors. We've seen massive spikes and crushing dips. Remember that time Elon Musk mentioned it on Twitter and the price went bonkers? Good times. But let's be real. Trying to predict what a cryptocurrency will do is like trying to herd cats on roller skates. It's chaotic, unpredictable, and likely to end in a minor disaster. So, what do the experts, and by experts, I mean people who spend way too much time staring at graphs, think will happen to Dogecoin in the next month? Buckle up, because it's about to get bumpy. Some analysts predict a slight dip in the short term, with Dogecoin potentially dropping to around 23 cents by March 8th. That's a 9.53% decrease. But wait, there's more. Others believe Dogecoin could reach a high of 26 cents within the next 5 days. That's like finding enough spare change in your couch cushions to buy an extra latte. The truth is, nobody knows for sure what will happen. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and Dogecoin, with its meme-based origins, is even more unpredictable. It's like trying to predict what ridiculous thing your drunk aunt will say at Thanksgiving dinner. If you're looking for a long-term investment, you might be wondering how Dogecoin is expected to perform throughout the rest of 2025. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and Dogecoin is no exception. Remember though, past performance is not indicative of future results. It's like saying, I ate a whole pizza myself last night, so I'm definitely going to win that hot dog eating contest. Just because something happened once doesn't mean it will happen again. Not necessarily true. February seems to be a bit bearish for our furry friend, with a potential short return on investment ROI of 12.09%. This could be due to various market factors, including investor sentiment and broader economic conditions. March, however, is looking a bit more optimistic, with a potential ROI of 4.19%. This slight uptick might be driven by renewed interest or positive news surrounding Dogecoin. April could be a real game changer for Dogecoin. Analysts are buzzing with excitement, predicting significant gains. Analysts predict a potential high of $1.04, representing a whopping 314.74% ROI. That's enough to finally buy that solid gold dog bowl you've had your eye on. Or perhaps, treat yourself to some other luxury items. May is also looking bullish, with predictions suggesting Dogecoin could hit $1.13, a potential 348.27% ROI. This continued upward trend could be fueled by increasing adoption and market confidence. Of course, this is all just speculation, like trying to predict which Kardashian will be in the news next. Always do your own research and consider the risks before investing. Peering into the future, Dogecoin price predictions until 2030. Let's get our crystal ball out and gaze into the distant future, or at least as far as 2030. Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is always a mix of science, art, and a bit of luck. Keep in mind these are just predictions and should be taken with a grain of salt. The market is volatile and can change rapidly, or a whole salt lick really. It's always good to be cautious when dealing with speculative investments. In 2026, Dogecoin is predicted to trade between 23 cents and 42 cents. This range suggests a steady but cautious optimism among analysts. 2027 looks a bit flatter, with an estimated range of 23 cents to 29 cents. But wait, there's hope. Market trends often have their ups and downs. 2028 could be a good year for our canine cryptocurrency, with a potential high of 80 cents, a 220.5% potential ROI. This could be driven by increased adoption and market confidence. 2029 is where things get really interesting. The market dynamics could shift significantly. Analysts predict Dogecoin could reach a mind-blowing $1.73, a potential ROI of 588.05%. This would be a monumental leap for Dogecoin. That's enough to buy a lifetime supply of dog treats, or a small island. Imagine the possibilities. Finally, in 2030, Dogecoin is predicted to stabilize somewhat, trading between 48 cents and 74 cents. This suggests a maturing market with more predictable trends. Section 5, Technical Talk, Understanding the Charts. Now let's delve into some technical analysis. This is where we break down the numbers and charts to understand the market trends and make informed decisions. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Even your dog could understand it, but probably won't care. We'll use easy-to-understand analogies to make sense of the data. As of February 6, 2025, the technical indicators for Dogecoin are painting a mixed picture. This means that the market signals are not pointing clearly in one direction. Think of it like a dog park. Some dogs are playing nice, others are barking at each other, and one is trying to eat a discarded hot dog. It's a bit chaotic and unpredictable. We've got 8 bullish signals, which indicate a potential rise in price, which is like seeing a bunch of puppies wagging their tails. It's a positive sign, but not a guarantee. But we've also got 23 bearish signals, suggesting a potential decline, which is like that one Chihuahua who thinks he's a Doberman. It's a warning sign that shouldn't be ignored. The Fear and Greed Index, a measure of market sentiment, is currently at 49, which is considered neutral. This means the market is neither overly optimistic nor pessimistic. It's like your dog looking at you with mild curiosity when you're eating a steak. Interested, but not overly excited. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 32.85, also neutral. This indicates that the asset is neither overbought nor oversold. The 50-day Simple Moving Average, SMA, is at 34 cents, showing the average price over the last 50 days, while the 200-day SMA is at 22 cents. This gives us a longer-term view of the price trend. What does this all mean? It means we have to consider multiple factors before making any decisions. Basically, Dogecoin is at a crossroads. The market could go in any direction from here. It could go up, it could go down, or it could just sit there and pant. The key is to stay informed and be prepared for any outcome. Section 6. The Power of the People. Meme coins and community. One crucial factor that sets Dogecoin apart from other cryptocurrencies is its community. Dogecoin has a passionate and active following that's known for its humor and generosity. They've used Dogecoin to support charities, sponsor NASCAR drivers, and even try to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Olympics. This strong community is one of the reasons why Dogecoin has been able to survive and thrive, even when other meme coins have faded away. They're like the pack that stands by their alpha dog, even if that alpha dog is prone to chasing squirrels up trees. So, while the technical analysis might paint a mixed picture, the power of the Dogecoin community should not be underestimated. They're a force to be reckoned with, like a pack of chihuahuas dressed as pirates. Don't underestimate them. Section 7, Disclaimer, not your financial advisor. And now for the disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on TV who talks about the news, sometimes in a slightly humorous way. Investing in cryptocurrency is inherently risky, and you could lose all of your money. It's like playing poker with a dog. You might win, but you also might get slobbered on. So do your own research, consult with a qualified financial advisor, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And whatever you do, don't blame me if Dogecoin suddenly crashes and you have to sell your car to buy ramen noodles. That's our show for tonight. Thanks for watching. And remember, buy Dogecoin or don't. It's your life. I'm just here to make you think, laugh, and maybe question your life choices a little bit. Good night.